I'ma serve, I'm spinning.
Hi everyone, fashion lovers. How y'all doing? It's a girl Make UK. I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make an outfit from scratch. Okay, so currently I'm wearing the outfit that I'm talking about. So the fabric that I used here is the same fabric that I used to make the dress, that dusty pink dress. I posted a video of a dress from scratch. So there was a remaining fabric then, so that remaining fabric is the one that I used to make this outfit. Okay, so that is just it. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and just leave a comment down below. So just keep on watching.